Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to dehaze a picture in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on picture, press on adjustments down below and press on dehaze. And you can just dehaze it. Here you can manage that option and you can just apply the effect that you want. After that you can either leave the project or continue editing depending if this is the only thing that you wanted to do or not, but either way you will be able to save it after the edit. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.